What is up, crypto nesters? Welcome back inside. As we all know, one of the best parts about cryptocurrency is the ability to earn passive income. And there's a lot of different ways to do this. One of the easiest ways, though, is just simply using a crypto-based debit card and earning rewards on your normal spending habits. Well, today we're going to talk about one of the newest debit cards on the market, and that is the Coinbase debit card. Everybody's heard of Coinbase, and they have their own debit card now. A lot of people have been on the wait list. I was on the wait list all year. I received mine about a month ago, and I have put this thing through the ringer. I have used it on nearly all different types of purchases, any kind of purchases that I would do in my normal daily spending. I have kind of tried it on a lot of different stuff, whether it's groceries, gas, doctor's appointments, a few different things. So I'm going to tell you how all of that went, if there was any restrictions, if there was any issues using it, and how it all went. We're also going to compare it to my old crypto debit card, which is the Crypto.com Ruby Red. And I'm going to give you some pros and cons of both, why I do like both cards, although I think Coinbase is going to be the winner if everything stays the same going forward with both programs. So let's get into it. My name is Berta Coin. You're inside the Crypto Nest. Let's go. Before we get into it, everybody, please go ahead and hit that like button for me now. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell. Every time a new video drops, you'll get that notification. You can be first on it and get some really new good content coming in. Okay, so talking about the Coinbase debit card, first and foremost, if you have not got on the wait list yet on your Coinbase app, hit pause on this video right now, switch over, jump on your Coinbase app, and go ahead and jump on the wait list right now. I'll wait. Okay, good. You did it. Thank you very much. So you're on the wait list. As the card gets produced more and more, the wait list time will get shorter. I don't think everyone's going to have to wait 6 months like I did or longer. I know some people even waited longer. But I would, again, go ahead and get on the wait list now. Okay, so once you're off the wait list, you then have access to the card. And you're going to go ahead and, put the order in and get it in the mail. But before you receive it in the mail, it usually takes, a week or two to get it. You can immediately use the card online on your app, on your Coinbase app, on your phone. So you don't have to wait for the physical card to come in. So keep that in mind. But once you have access to it, you can immediately load it up. What most people are going to do is use USDC because that's always going to be 1-in-1 with the US dollar. So you can simply just go at any time in your app, and obviously you have to have your Coinbase app linked to your bank account. But you can essentially load it and spend it instantly on any kind of purchase that you want. We'll see here. We'll look at, this is actually what the web app looks like right here. You can see transaction history, and you can see the available balance. I've got $83 on it right now, and I've earned so far 4% back in XLM or Stellar Lumens, which we'll talk about a little bit. I'm getting, again, 4% back on all my purchases. 4%, that's really the best you're going to see in a debit card, that you don't have to stake anything. You don't have to purchase it. You don't have an annual fee on it, okay? Keep that in mind. Like on the Fold debit card, which is another debit card, you have an annual fee on that. Or with the Crypto.com debit card, as we'll look at here, you actually have to stake their native token in order to get the 4% or the 5% or the 8%, whatever their percentages are. You actually have to stake a certain amount of CRO on their web, on their app. So This, you don't have to do that on the Coinbase app, which is really, really nice, and which makes this debit card, I think, one of the best in the market right now. Now, if you don't want to earn 4% back in XLM, as you can see right here, you can also earn just 1% back in Bitcoin. Keep it simple. Keep stacking those sats, right? If that's what you want to do. But in my opinion, it's way smarter. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. But in my humble opinion, it's smarter to earn the 4% back in the Stellar Lumens. And then if you want to build it up to $100 or something, then sell it. Trade it for Bitcoin. Sell it, do whatever you want with it. But I would earn as much as you can. If they're going to give you 4% in really any crypto, you want to take that right now because it's cryptocurrency. You can then trade it, swap it, flip it, sell it, put it right back into your bank account after you sell it. So it's a great system to use, and it's tied to Stellar Lumens. And we can talk about Stellar Lumens really quick here. As you can see, XLM, it's at about right under a quarter per token right now, right under 25 cents a token. We got a market cap of about 5.7 billion, so it's nothing to sneeze at. And real quick, let's look at the fine print. The Stellar network, which again, Stellar Lumens is the native currency of the Stellar network. It's kind of like XRP. Let's see. Stellar Network is an open source, distributed, and community-owned network used to facilitate cross-asset transfers of value. Stellar aims to help facilitate cross-asset transfer of value at a fraction of a penny while aiming to be an open financial system that gives people of all income levels or access, I should say, to low-cost financial services. Stellar can handle exchanges between fiat-based currencies and between cryptocurrencies, so it can kind of handle both. Stellar.org, the organization that supports Stellar, is centralized like XRP. It means it can handle cross-platform, multi-platform transactions, but unlike XRP, it's actually nonprofit. So I think it's a good partnership for Coinbase, and I have no issues personally with earning Lumens. Again, do your own research, but again, this is something that you can earn and then immediately sell or trade. Do whatever you want with. So that's what you can earn. Again, we'll flip right back. It's 4% on XLM, or you can do, again, the 1% on Bitcoin. Now, the one thing that really, and this is really important, that impressed me about the Coinbase debit card, and especially comparing it to the Crypto.com debit cards, as you can see here. Real quick, we'll talk about these. As you can see, the reason that I personally am moving away, because right now you still have to stake a certain amount, and the amount that you have to stake in CRO to get these 8% and 5%, 40,000, 400,000, like, are you kidding me? It's too much. It doesn't make sense just to earn a couple extra percent. I went with the Ruby Still. I got in early to where I only had to invest about $150 worth of CRO, so I was able to use it. I didn't have to stake a lot of money, but I only ever earned that 2%. It also has the Spotify and Netflix card benefits, but I've always thought that was a highly overrated benefit that comes with it. Just my opinion. So that's the one main downside about these Crypto.com cards, is you have to stake in order to even get the eligible rewards. Stake their native token CRO. But another huge downside, and this is a list that I honestly had to keep favorited and check it as I was trying to use this. When I first got the Crypto.com debit card, I had intentions of running all my bills and everything on it so I could try to earn, as much as possible on all my normal spending in my budget. But what I found out was, as you can see on this list, this card has a ton of restrictions on it. I'm talking no bills, electric, gas utilities, public utilities. I couldn't even get a gym membership with this, or earn rewards buying my gym membership on this card. I can't get gas on this card. Gas! right? They don't even give you rewards for purchasing gas on it. I quickly found out it was just not going to be worth the hassle of trying to get, staking more and getting a higher percentage. As you can see, I mean, it's just more and more restrictions on a card, all of this. Now, flipping back to the Coinbase card, so far, I haven't seen any restrictions on this card, okay? I've spent and purchased gas on it, no problem. I've put it, I've purchased a utility bill, paid a utility company with this card, accepted, got my 4%. I went on a doctor visit and paid a doctor's office with this card, earned my reward. So again, I looked at the fine print. There really honestly wasn't that much, and maybe because there isn't restrictions. It's a very open, flexible card, and because of that, you can really use it for anything you want. And one of the best parts about it, again, is you can instantly load money onto it and use it. So let's say you go to the grocery store and you forgot you don't have any, you only have 30 bucks on it, but you've got $200 worth of groceries in your cart. Well, not to worry, you don't have to go to the bank, or you don't have to get on your bank account and do anything. You just simply go to the Coinbase app and load up, let's just say 200 more USDC, USD coin, or it's US stable coin. And all of a sudden, because of how the card is set up and how it's set up to spend really any crypto, but especially USDC, you can then instantly spend that money. It goes instantly on the debit card, and you're able to make your purchase without waiting, and you get your 4% back. Also, every time you load that card up, very important to note, there is no fee, okay? You can load $5, no fee, $500 on it, no fee. I don't know if this will last forever, but right now, for transferring, money from your account to the Coinbase app onto your Coinbase debit card, there are no fees. If you wanted to do this on the Crypto.com debit card, you would have to pay a $2.99 credit card or debit card fee, or you'd have to go through your bank account, transfer it to your debit card. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days if you're lucky to get that done. Not something you can do inside of grocery stores. And also, another benefit of the card is you don't just have to use USDC. Let's say you have a lot of different types of cryptocurrencies on your Coinbase app. I personally don't. I've got them elsewhere. But if you did have Bitcoin and Ethereum and any kind of other crypto that you may want to store on your Coinbase account that you purchased or that you earned, whatever it may be, you can spend with that crypto. It's going to take whatever the value is at the time. If you've got $200 worth of Bitcoin at the time of purchase, if it's valued to $200, that's what you can spend on your debit card, and you can spend it. So a really cool feature. You don't just have to use USDC. You can pay with any type of crypto. You can see right here, I'll show you an example, a little test. You can see if I wanted to actually pay in my Stellar Lumens. I've got 61 XLM right here, and if I wanted to just turn around and use that to purchase something, I could. I can instantly use those rewards. That's $15 that in crypto that I can either hodl, I can spend it, I can do whatever I want with it. So as you can see, the card is flexible. You instantly earn. It typically takes at minimum, I either instantly get the rewards or it says pending, and it takes about a day, and then I get them the next day. So I haven't had any issues with it. Guys, I would again recommend getting this Coinbase debit card if you're looking to just find an easy way to earn some extra free crypto, right? This is the way to go. I'll keep you in the loop after about 6 months. I'll let you know if I've had any other issues or had any new features on the card that that they may introduce. But for now, again, get on the wait list and try to get access to this as soon as possible, because it's too easy not to use, and it's too easy not to start earning free crypto. And that's what we're all about at the Crypto Nest, earning free crypto. It's fun to buy, but it's even more fun to earn it for free. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comment section. My name is Bird of Coin. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.